Welcome. In this video, let's explore the difference between the YouTube Shorts, YouTube long forms, and make a decision which one you want to go for. Probably one of the most important questions when it comes to YouTube Shorts and long form is the difference between the pay. So as we can see on the screen, for Shorts, the CPM, basically cost per mil, or how much the advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. For Shorts, it's between 1 to 10 cents. And for long form, it's anywhere from $1 to $30+. And I mean, this number fluctuates a little bit as well. I saw these numbers be a little bit higher depending on the niche, because if we're talking about like finance niche, then that can be a little bit higher, but we can see the difference. The difference like 100 times. And this is very, very important. Obviously, you don't want to do a faceless YouTube channel for free. You want to make sure you can monetize that. And so this is a very important decision you have to make. Now, the difference between long form and short form is also in how hard it is to create those videos. Obviously, for shorts, just because the nature of the shorts is the videos are a lot shorter. So those videos are a lot easier to make. For long forms, it's definitely a lot harder to make. It takes a lot more time, a lot more planning, and you can produce a lot less long form videos, but once again, the pay for those is a lot higher. It's like 100 times as much. And the question becomes, what should you go for? And I would say that you should go for whatever you already watch. So if you enjoy short form a little bit more, then you should probably explore that. Or if you enjoy long forms, you should explore that. And the great thing about the faceless channels is that you can try it out for a week, for a month, maybe a couple of months, see if you like it or not. And if you don't, then go ahead and just change it, change the format. For example, I experimented with many different faceless channels. The very first one was about like a faceless channel, which was long form, but it had barely any visuals, where I just had to put a lot of audio pieces together. I didn't quite like it. It was quite boring creating that. And then I went into short form, where I thought it would be a lot more interesting. I experimented with lots of different styles there, and eventually I just decided to go for long form. Potentially I will switch to short form again in the future, but at this very moment I'm doing the long form. I would also say that with shorts it's a lot easier to get started and to stop, because long forms, they require a lot more time, a lot more effort. And with shorts, let's say you tried a video once, you don't like the process, okay, you just stop. But it takes you like, let's say 10 times less the amount of effort and time than it does for the long forms. So a task for you right now is to make a decision. Where do you want to go? You feel like you're not sure, just pick one. It doesn't really matter. If you don't know anything at all about this, then go with shorts. It's just going to be a lot easier to get started, to get a little bit of practice in. Then once you understand a couple of things, it will be easier for you to make a decision. So just kind of pick a general idea of what you like more, choose that, and then we'll go into the next video where we will go even deeper. See you there.